रूस में ईस्टर्न इकनॉमिक फोरम में मलेशियन वज़ीर-ए-आज़म अनवर इब्राहिम ने कहा कि कुआलालंपुर यूक्रेन तनाज़े पर मगरिब के रूस मुखालिफ मवाक़िफ़ को कबूल नहीं करता, तस्फ़ियत से हल तलाश करने के हक़ में है। ख़ित्ते में अमन व सलामती को यकीनी बनाना और मईशत पर तवज्जो देना ज़रूरी है। ब्रिक्स मकामी करेंसीज़ में तब्दील होकर डॉलर पर अपना इन्हसार कम कर रहा है। हमारी पॉलिसी का मकसद ग्लोबल साउथ को मजबूत बनाना है। ब्रिक्स ग्लोबल साउथ के ममालिक के दरमियान इस किस्म के ताउन को मजबूत करने के लिए बहुत अहम है। हमारा मकसद अमीर सनती ममालिक के हमले और दबाव का मिलकर और पूरी कुव्वत से मुकाबला करना है। मजीद के कहा, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
And BRICS is a very important vehicle to strengthen that sort of collaboration among countries in the global south. Not necessarily in antagonism, but at least to contain the onslaught of other, richer industrialized countries, and to be able to at least withstand the pressure and together build up the force. For example, the issue of using local currencies, which we have done in the past with China, with Indonesia, to an extent with Thailand, we're talking to India. We are still quite dependent on the dollar, but at least to reduce the impact, we need to do that. And BRICS is, of course, another vehicle to do that. IMF, of course, is too important and critical international organization, which we are part of. But there is nothing stopping us from providing alternative mechanisms. And similarly, the New Development Bank, which we were looking at it very seriously in order to participate. And with BRICS supporting it, then at least the global south, particularly the developing middle-range countries, would benefit immensely. And they have at least a better position to negotiate with the other powers. BRICS and the global south is mainly, the focus should be mainly the economic development. We are a small country. We just take a position, and to me that represents the sentiments and conscience of the Malaysian people. So that's what I can do, the maximum that I can do. Whether it will impact the Israeli economy, I don't believe it's going to be that easy, although they're having challenges even internally. There are also a louder voice within Israel that do not want to have that do not want to support these continued atrocities and failure to even to negotiate. Our intention, our position is, of course, to find an ECMA resolution, not to take a side of the West against Russia. What benefit it is for us, like United States vis-a-vis China, we maintain good relations with both, and why compel us to take sides? Well, they create these potential problems because it's a different system. Yeah, they have 1 billion people to take care, but they decide what system is. For us, it's still the democratic transition in Malaysia, and that's the system we apply, or we choose. What is important to my mind is to secure peace and security in our region, and to focus on the economy. And that's why I'm here.